So it is official. There is a plant source of B12. And I saw the video from Mike the Vegan, and I saw the video from Happy Healthy Vegan. Please go check that out. I'll leave a link to the video in the description section below. And yeah, I just want to share my excitement over this because whenever I heard this, I was just like, this is like revolutionary. This is like revolutionary because along my journey, I've been at this 7 years now. Whoa, 7 years. You know, new year, new me. And along my journey, one of the main things I've come across is that, oh no, this vegan thing, this vegan thing isn't right because you can't get B12 on a vegan diet. We have to eat animal products for B12. And if you do research on B12, B12 is actually created from bacteria. So to find a plant source that contains a bioactive form of B12, they said that 100 grams. It's called duckweed, by the way, or like water lentils. Look it up. But to find a source where 100 grams of water lentils or duckweed, whatever you want to call it, contains 750% of the recommended amount of B12 embedded in its structure. This is revolutionary. This is revolutionary. That's why I'm just like, man, like what? I feel like I'm the only one excited about this. I thought this was amazing. Amazing news coming into 2020. Can you get it? I'm not even too sure, but I saw the Mike the Vegan and Happy Healthy Vegan. They posted a link for like a supplement that you can get that contains this compound in it. What will I get it? I will eventually purchase it. However, at the moment, I'm more than happy just using B12 supplements because I feel like they're relatively affordable. And if you're in a situation where maybe you can't actually get these water lentils or these duckweed, then you could just supplement with B12. But it's just the fact that you can actually get B12 from a plant source is so revolutionary of a discovery. And I hope you realize this. I just hope you realize this. With the passing of the times, it's the arguments against a vegan lifestyle are just becoming more and more and more ridiculous. As time goes on. And then, look, wherever you are in your journey, maybe you're just finding out about this for the first time, and you're transitioning, and I applaud you. The more time that goes by, the more people are seeing what's happening to the animals, and the more people are seeing that you can get B12 from plant sources, and you can be fit, and you can be strong, you can be healthy, you can be powerful athlete, you can have amazing tasting food, causing needless suffering to animals. The longer we go by, it's becoming more and more ridiculous. It's just becoming more and more ridiculous. So I just wanted to share that. I just wanted to share my excitement for this discovery. So let me know, what do you think about this? I think this is amazing. But let me know what you think. And I'm wishing you peace, love, and veganism 2020. Let's get it. Where the water lentils at? Where the duckweed at? Ooh. Where the water lentils at? Where the duckweed at? Ooh.